What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just wanted to give you a little tour of the differences between the TOURTEEs and the TOURTEE Pros and regular golf tee, because you may have heard of these. I have been using these for a little while and I really like them. TOURTEE makes these polymer plastic tees and they're supposed to give you more distance, because if you take a look at the top here, what you can see is that they have little nibs right up there, these little dimples, and that kind of holds the ball up a little higher and creates less friction and allows it to launch a little easier. And they say that you can get up to 12 extra yards with this. Now, one of the things that I want to show you is that this is the TOURTEE standard, and it kind of looks like a regular tee, but it's actually quite a bit larger than your standard wooden tee. You can see here the plastic piece, this black part is rubber, but the plastic piece is even larger than a white wooden tee here, and this is a pretty standard 3.5-inch white tee. You can see how much bigger that is, right? So what they have made here is the TOURTEE Pro, less friction, all the same stuff, and you can see there it has the little nibs on it, so it will hold the ball up there, but it has a smaller profile. So if I just put this up to a regular wooden tee, you can see it's a little bit closer in size. It's not exactly the same size. The plastic portion is about the same size as the wooden tee, but this is for people who like that little smaller size. You can see here, if I hold them side to side, how much bigger that is. Now, I will say that as far as I can tell, TOURTEE does not say that there's any performance difference between these two, so I think it's really just personal preference on this. But this is the standard TOURTEE Pro. I think both of these are pretty awesome. I will tell you, I use the TOURTEE Pro. I do like the fact that it is just a little bit more of the same size as the regular wooden tees. It's just more familiar for me, but I don't think you could go wrong with either of these tees. They're pretty cool and they last basically forever. So if you want to pick up TOURTEEs or the TOURTEE Pro and maybe get more distance in your golf game, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.